Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to do a quick review of the Mitsubishi Mirage. This model has been around for a while and it got redesigned in 2021. It's really a facelift because the 2021 is just the front looks different than the back, but under the hood the vehicle is still remains the same. As far as the Mitsubishi Mirage, this vehicle has a 3-cylinder engine. When you hear that, you would think, this is going to be very underpowered. But in fact, when you drive this on the highway, it's pretty impressive. It's got a pretty good acceleration considering the size of the engine. And what's even more impressive is that it actually handles really well. Even though these wheels are 14-inch and very narrow, it takes the road bumps and turns. It's impressive for what it is. You would think the vehicle would be a lot harder to lose and unstable. The only place where this vehicle is a little bit unstable is at highway speeds, and if there's crosswinds, you're gonna feel those crosswinds pushing you to the side and pushing the car, so making it want to change lanes. That was the only place, where you would feel that a little bit. This car does it is very light, and the one way that they did that is by making the sheet metal really thin. So it makes the vehicle light and it makes it get really good gas mileage when you combine that with that 3-cylinder engine. But the only problem is that if you hit anything on the front, even if you bump into something, what's going to happen is this front end, including headlights and stuff, they can get broken very easily, and the bumper can at least it will come loose on the sides, and clips can break. So keep that in mind. You don't want to bump into anything with this car. The sheet metal is very thin and it will bend very easily. And even if you push it, you'll see, like, if you lean against it, you don't want to do that either because it can bend very easily. Just something to keep in mind. So overall, it's the vehicle does handle very well, drives very well, gets excellent gas mileage. When you come on the inside, it's simple. You can see here switches and steering wheel. This model does not have any switches. This is where switches would have gone for controlling the instrument cluster, but all we have is this little thing right here. There's the center console here and the radio up here, and very easy to use. This is a little bit outdated. This is 2017, but there's models that have the bigger head unit. Those are still pretty simple. They don't have any special features, and definitely not Android Auto CarPlay, but it's okay. It's easy to use. What I do not like about it is the sound quality is actually very poor. Speakers don't really have a full range. If you're picky about sound, you probably end up upgrading those speakers and the radio on this. But overall, it's an impressive car. You would think it would be underpowered, but it doesn't feel like that when you drive it. And the one last thing is, this vehicle is extremely easy to work on. If you're still looking for a car that you want to do work on yourself, it's going to be easy. We have a lot of videos and tutorials on the YOUCANIC website. If you go to YOUCANIC and select vehicle and the Mitsubishi and the Mirage, you'll see all the videos that we've done on this, and we'll show you how to change the oil and brake pads and filters and light bulbs and all of that. But all of that is extremely easy to do on this vehicle, and for the model year, there's not that many cars out there that are so easy to work on in these days. So that's all. That's the Mitsubishi Mirage, and we hope you found this video review helpful. Thank you.